All right, you guys, so we've been working on something behind the scenes for a company we partnered up with called Warrior Now, a very great organization. They do a lot with supporting our veterans, giving back as far as taking care of the problems that come post service. So really great organization, and actually they reached out to us about 2 months ago. And they basically said, hey, we have a car that we really need your help with restoring because we need to be able to take our veterans from one place to the next. And so here's the car. We picked up the car. We were so excited to be able to help them out and put in some work into their daily car. And here's the finished product, actually. So when we got this car, there was a lot of issues with it. It was not a drivable car. This is the baby right here. As you can see, it's been sitting out here for quite some time, right? The body's pretty good. There's a few rough spots. Definitely needs a nice clean, new windshield, new front bumper, clean up the fog light or the headlights. A lot of little tune-up issues as well. So put a lot of work into it. We put some designs. Patrick did a lot of the work here. So it turned out pretty good, bro, right? Yeah, it did. So this is the car. We're going to be presenting them with the car today, giving the car back to them and see what they think. Watik is the CEO of the company, so we're going to basically show them the car and get them out here.
Man, you guys do some fabulous work, man.
Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir. That's great.
Is it crazy, man? You can win a freaking car just by
You know what I'm saying? Just get a t-shirt or two or three. I think I might have to get a few. Better my odds.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, better my odds, man. This is great.
So yeah, man, you guys brought us a car to help restore a little bit, make it more drivable, right?
Yes.
That's what we did.
Yeah,
You kind of saw a little bit.
I saw the pictures. I seen the pictures that you sent me, man.
Okay. It's just for we have some viewers and we want to promote you guys.
Yes.
Warrior Now, great organization. You guys do a lot for our veterans. Maybe you can kind of fill some of the people in on what you guys do.
Great. Yeah. My name is Watik. I'm the CEO of Warrior Now. This is our CEO. LT. We call him LT. But what Warrior Now does, we're a peer-to-peer organization that supports veterans through services as like pro socials, top golf, bowling, fishing. But we try to integrate these folks back into society. A lot of our veterans are just as impacted. We get a lot of our volunteer veterans to come along and support these guys as they're going through the program and help them, assist them as they're integrating back into society as well. But we also work with the families. Families are included in that, so a lot of our events, we have the families come and be a part of as well. We do education to educate the families on the things that these veterans are going through as far as PTSD, TBIs and things, so they can understand what their veterans have been dealing with. And we try to incorporate them as a family unit to get the veteran back into that family aspect of it as well. But Warrior Now has been around since 2019. Our great founder, Brian Johnson, our co-founder, Melinda Johnson, and Todd Kramer, they put this thing together, man, and it's been fantastic. They gave me the key to the organization, and I'm gonna move it forward. But I want to thank Nick and Dave for the excellent work they've been doing in supporting our veteran community.
Absolutely, bro.
This work that they've done for us is gonna assist and help our veterans be able to attend our pro socials and also to promote Warrior Now at our little vendor fairs and presentations that we do. So thank you guys. I want to really thank you guys. Appreciate that.
What you guys do,
man. Yes, sir.
Pleasure, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
So for me, like one of the biggest thing about you guys was like you guys are kind of like a missing link in between the veterans and the assistance programs out there. Connecting them.
Yes.
Because a lot of times veterans don't know the options that they have available.
Right. That is very true. And they don't. Some have a fear of working with the vet centers. I mean, not the vet centers, but the VA. So what we try to do is bridge that gap. Let them know that the VA is there to support them, help them along, and try to get them back into that space and being able to use those services that are available to them for free.
That's awesome.
I want y'all to make sure you catch our
right there, Warrior Now.
Warrior Now.
We do not fight alone, right, bro?
We do not fight alone, man. Yeah. But we do offer a great service too, because we do have what we call a buddy check call that happens at night from 7 to 8. that's open to anybody across the United States. If they want to tune into that call, go to our link, worrynow.org, our website, worrynow.org. You can get them connected to our buddy check call. We have a female buddy check call that happens on Thursday night, so if females don't want to be in the space with fellas, they have their own call that they can have on Thursday nights from 7 to 8. Yeah, so we're trying to impact our veteran community. We're here to serve and help them out. But definitely go to our website, worrynow.org or worrynow.com. There's a lot of information on there. If you want to feel in kind to donate your time or donate any money, that option is also on our website as well.
Absolutely.
I'm also looking forward to winning one of these big trucks too. So
he loves what we do, you guys, and we love being a part of it. So let's go show you guys the car. This is going to be a car that you guys use for transporting veterans, right, and helping them get around.
And help promoting our organization and so people know about what we do.
Absolutely. So
look at that there. Look at that there, man.
So it's a little different, right?
Yeah, very different, man. Very different from when we brought it. I haven't seen the tinted glass, man.
I had to throw that in there.
Oh, the disc gone, man. Yeah, that's wonderful. Oh, wow, here too. Yeah, there we go.
Got a little tint in there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yeah, we did a little bit of we kind of went through the car as far as maintenance goes. Got new tie rods in there, so it's drivable.
Yes.
You know, had the weird steering clunk.
Right, that's gone too.
That's gone too, man. So it's good. It should be a good running car for you guys.
Great.
For a while here.
Great. And I also heard that y'all worked on the air conditioning too to make sure we have AC.
Yes, sir.
Man, look at this here, right here, man. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Woo. Yes, sir. She
got a new battery in there, so
she's ready, man.
I'm excited for you guys, man.
She's ready. I'm excited too, man. It's definitely gonna help us out. Again, like I say, we can make a very big difference. So we have a lot of veterans who don't have transportation. We can use this car to get them around, take them to their appointments. Also help some veterans be able to come to our pro socials so they can take advantage of that as well, because again, some of these folks don't have license. Sometimes they lose their license because they're just as impacted from having DUIs and things of that nature, or they may be suffering from PTSD and can't drive. So this will definitely help us out. And again, I can't say enough about Enrforce for supporting us and helping us out and fixing the car for us. So I want to really thank you guys.
We're glad we could be part of this, bro.
I'm glad. I really love our partnership, man. I think
this is awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
You guys are local, but you guys cover not just. I mean, you guys are local here, but you guys you are nationwide here.
We are nationwide. Actually, one of the things that we're going to be working on next year is we want to franchise what we have and take it abroad, man. We want to be able to offer our services to other states that have veteran treatment courts as well. So
so I mean, this is that's not it. I mean, this is a car, you know, you take. You guys, I hope it runs good. I mean, any issues, you don't reach out to me. But you know, from us here at Enrforce, you know, we believe in supporting our veterans, supporting organizations like you. You know? So me and my partner David and everyone here at Enrforce, we wanted to kind of make a small donation as well.
Man!
On top of this, so from us here at Enrforce, we got a $10,000 check.
Wow! Oh my God! We certainly appreciate this, man. You don't know how far this is gonna go, man. Thank you guys, man.
Yes, sir.
My God, man. Thank you guys, man. Dang, man. Oh, wow.
Of course, man. You guys are good people,
I can't say enough about you guys, man. I can't say enough, man. You guys are doing some fantastic work, man.
Absolutely, bro.
Again, like I said, man, we want to make sure we keep the partnership going.
Absolutely.
We have some things coming down the pipeline. We want to make sure you guys get incorporated with the work that we're doing. And let's continue our partnership, man. So thanks again,
man.
All right?
Absolutely, you guys.
Wow, man.
Let's go, man.
Man.
Dude, I know it's gonna be. I know it's gonna come to good use and help a lot.
Yes, it totally will, man. It totally will. Thank you very much. But I need to get a couple pictures with you guys.
Let's get some pictures. Cool.
Yeah, so we put it on our website and everything too, man. It's wonderful.
No, absolutely, guys.
Man.
Sorry it took a little bit longer.
No, man, listen, you see, I want to try to rush anything. Anytime people doing something in kind, services like that, take your time. When you say come get it, we'll be out here to get it. We are not rushing, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
You better put this bad boy to work, man. They was like, man, you need to start driving around doing some work. I said, I will. I sure will.
Absolutely.
Yes, I got a spot in the garage. I made a spot for her. I have a third garage, so I made a spot for her to put it in and make sure she's taking good.
Perfect.
Yes,
Perfect.
Yes, sir. But again, man, I appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely, guys. Thank you.
We'll definitely be in touch, man. Like I said, when we put those, I just locked in the Gaylord.
Okay.
I just sent them the agreement today, and like I said, that's gonna be April 6th. It's on a Saturday. But I'm in a program at DU. It's called Veterans Leadership. We're working on they're doing a thing like wait a minute, let me think about it. Shark Tank.
Oh, okay.
So we broke up it in 3 groups, and whoever pitch these corporations decide to take, that's what we're gonna go with. So I pitched doing like a car show.
Okay.
Over the weekend, like a 3-day car show, Friday through Sunday. And I think my group liked it, so I think that's what we're gonna go with. But we win the Shark Tank deal. When our car show, man, we want to bring some of your trucks out, man.
Yeah, man.
You guys be a part of that too,
That'd be
okay?
absolutely sweet.
All right?
Heck yeah.
All right, man. Thanks again, man. We appreciate it, man.
guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
All right. Thanks, man, for everything too, bro.
All right.
Thank you too, bro. All right, man.
With
Thanks.
a business card.
Huh?
See you, brother.
The business card?
Yeah. All right, dude.
Thanks again,
Good
man.
to see you again, brother.
No, man. Always, man. Always, man.
Y'all have a great, awesome.
You too, LT. Good
right,
to
y'all
see you,
take
man.
care,
You're a
man.
veteran too, right, LT?
24 years, United States Army.
United States Army.
Sergeant Major.
Sergeant Major. Dang, dude.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
Thanks for your
thanks
service,
again,
Oh,
man.
my
Take
pleasure.
care.
It was my honor.
Absolutely, brother.
I loved every moment.
No way.
Had more good times than bad, so
Wow.
it worked out. Thanks again. Thank you for all y'all did. It's awesome.
Absolutely.
Getting it
brother.
home safe.
All right, man. We'll talk to you later. You gotta take
Later.
it, man.
See you, brother. You guys probably see the sticker trouble we went through, but it looks sick, man. I think it looks good, huh? Warrior Now, we do not fight alone, man.
Figure out the catch. It's two tries for every side.
that was the trick. Literally every side we're like, well, we don't do wraps here, just so you guys know, but we sometimes throw a sticker on it. Get it, you know? And then we'll straighten it out. Okay. What's going on? All right. Let me go ahead and boom. You know, I haven't done this before, so we're all in this together. God, who's holding this side?
Someone good. Look at that. Who put that W on though?
There's still, oh shit.
Oh, Jason. Oh, yeah. That argument doesn't work too.
Now we got it. We'll get it out. Alright. Cool. Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
fixable. That's fixable.
Yeah, it's easy fixable. That's pretty sick.
Yep.
Alright. Let's get it fixed up and that was a little bit more challenging, but it came out good. But yeah, guys, that was Watik, the CEO of Warrior Now. Incredible organization. We're from Enrforce. We're proud to be supporting veterans. These guys are local, national. You know, they're filling a need with veterans. So we want to be able to help promote them and donate to great causes like this, and that's what we'll continue to do with our company. So, see you, brother. Yeah. So thanks for everybody. You guys are all part of this. This is, you know, everybody who's is part of our giveaways, part of our company. You know, that's where, you know, you guys help us be able to do things like that as well. So
Yeah, thank you guys. This is
Thank
all
you.
because of you. This is all possible. So
yeah,
we're
dude, he was
excited.
stoked, huh?
He was. He was.
All right, you guys, if you could actually, if you know of a great organization, veteran organization out there that does great things for our veterans, drop a comment below. You know, we might be connecting with them as well, but we need your suggestions and yeah. All right, see ya.